Hello everyone, so today we are back with another video, and this time it is an informative video on how you can link your Google AdWords account with analytics and how you can do the optimizations of the campaign based on the KPI stats in the analytics. So please stay with us in this video and we will let you know step by step on how you can do that. To link your Google Analytics account with your Google Ads account, you need to follow these steps. Log into your Google Analytics account and navigate to the admin section in the bottom left corner of your screen. In the admin section, under the property column, click on Google Ads links. On the Google Ads links page, click on the link button. Select the Google Ad account you want to link with your Google Analytics account and then click on confirm. Next, click on the next button to access the configuration settings page where you can configure all your available options. After configuring the settings, click on the next and then submit to save the changes. That way you will be able to link the analytics with the AdWords, and then once you get the data in the AdWords account, you will be able to see the KPI stats like bounce rate, pages per session, average time duration of every visitor on the website, and that way you can do the optimizations of the campaigns as well as the optimizations of the website as well in the analytics. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon.